Today I'm going to cover one of the most frequently asked questions. What is our cost of services? MSI thinks it's only fair to customize our prices to each individual credit repair needs. We do not offer fixed pricing because no two credit reports are exactly the same. For example, an auto shop will not charge the same for an oil change as it would to fix your transmission. Some credit needs may require a simple tune-up, but others may require a whole engine reconstruction. So the first step would be to analyze your credit report. This will allow us to gather information that will determine your investment. Example, it's kind of like having a diagnostic done to your car to determine what is wrong. Some of the factors we'll be considering are the number of negative items, line items such as collections, late payments, and public records, the recency of each negative item, the amounts of each negative item, and who are the creditors or agencies reporting on your credit report. Some creditors are a little more difficult to work with than others. There are two costs associated with MSI credit repair services: your initial investment and your monthly investment. I like to refer them as your parts and labor. The labor is what will be determined after your credit report has been evaluated. Your initial investment. Parts. Your monthly investment. Single, $98. Joint, $69. Saving of $58 a month. This is a great option for couples, but not limited to spouse and significant others. Credit repair is an investment. Your credit impacts many areas of life, such as savings on your interest rates. Example, let's take an auto loan. $15,000 auto loan for 60 months, 5 years. Good Credit Joe gets 3% interest, pays $269.53 a month. Total cost of the car, $16,718.80. Bad Credit Bob gets 12% interest. He pays $333.67 a month. Total cost of $20,020.20. Good Credit Joe saves $3,302. That's why credit repair is an investment. It also impacts your insurance premiums and employment opportunities. MSI Credit Solution guarantees
3 total deletions
or your money back, quality services, reliability, support needed throughout the credit repair process. To find out what your investment will be, please call us at the number on the screen to set up your free no obligation consultation.